I remember when I was in high school, I used to run away to people's farm just to make some small money for myself. I realized my parents cannot provide everything that I need, especially if the thing is not all that important. And I believe this is still going on somewhere, especially in this era where our economy is somehow, even though some of our parents can afford anything we want, like not all parents can actually afford it. So in short, I'm going to give you 3 ways you can make money as a student in Ghana, and this has nothing to do with the farming I used to go and all that, because sometimes by the time you are back from the field and all these hard works, sometimes you can't even learn and all that. So this is totally online. So if you're interested and you want to know these 3 ways, be sure to be part of this video and watch it throughout. And if you find it helpful at any point, be sure to give it a like so that it can help other people as well. The first way to make money online as a student in Ghana is through writing. Now, writing is one of the easiest ways to make money online in Ghana as a student. So you can just choose a particular topic and write something on. So it can be from school life to dating to, school relationship, like activities that goes on in school and all that. You can also write outside school life. For instance, if you like sports and entertainment and all that, you can write about them and make some cool money right in your school. So there are some platforms that gives you the opportunity to write. So the first platform I would recommend is Scopa News. Scopa allows you to write and you earn immediately. That is, you don't need a lot of followers, you don't need a lot of subscribers here and there. So all you need is to write a good article and get more people to read. Once they read, that's it. You submit and you get $1 for an article, or sometimes 80 cents. So the average is 80 cents. So if you write, you earn instantly on Scopa News. So the second platform you can write on is Opera News. Now, Opera News also gives you the chance to write and earn immediately. Once people are reading your article, that's it. So another platform you can also write on is medium.com. Now, medium.com, for that you require to reach like 100 followers. So once you get like 100 followers, you'll be monetized and you start earning immediately. So the good news is that you can write one article and post it on all these platforms. So let's say maybe you've written an article about a school entertainment. You can post it on all these platforms, or dating activities that goes on in school, which is one of the topics that people mostly like. So you can write some of this and post it on all these platforms. Sometimes there are copyrights, so you can just adjust it a little bit to make it different in a way. Now, if you want to go extra miles with your writing, another thing you can do is to sign up on some of the freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. You can do more research and see which of the freelancing platforms allows you to write. So once you are writing some of the articles, people will begin to reach out to you. But Fiverr and Upwork are a little bit different from the first 3 that I mentioned. So for them, you are guaranteed to make some money over there if people are reading your articles. But on Upwork and Fiverr, you have to wait a little bit and let people reach out to you for you to write for their sites or for you to write on their social media platforms and all that. So basically, if you want to make some cool money in school, you can start with writing. You don't have to go on the field like how most of us used to go on the field. You can start with writing and make some cool money right now. So way number 2 is graphic designing. Now, if you're a student, you can still start as a graphic designer and start making some cash for yourself. You know that if you're in school, sometimes they will be selecting prefects or they'll be giving some positions to people. You will see people will be making posters and all that. And in most cases, these people, they sometimes goes to town and, print some of these stuffs. So if you're a student who can start some graphic designing in your school, I know that would be a great side hustle. Now you might be asking, like, I don't know anything about graphic designing, and maybe I've never been into visual arts class, or I've never used Photoshop and other things before. The good news is there are softwares that allows you to design graphic easily. So a software like Canva can help you design graphic exactly like how someone will use Photoshop. Even though there are more features to Photoshop and all that, Canva can also do the work up to some standard. Visit canva.com or download the Canva app on your smartphone and play around it, and you see at the end of the day you know how to use some certain features. Now I also recommend InShot. InShot can also help you at least design some graphics for Instagram posts or for YouTube thumbnails or some petty things as well, but Canva will do it more. So after knowing how to use Canva for some time, you can just sign up to some of the freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr, and you can search more of the freelancing platforms that allows you to, work online. So way number 3 is affiliate marketing. So maybe this is where you know of a product or a service, and then maybe you recommend it to your friends on WhatsApp or Facebook or any other social media platform with your affiliate link. So let's say maybe you bought a nice bedsheet and this bedsheet is very nice, and you yourself, you know that other people will like it. So you can just record a video of yourself, laying this nice bedsheet on your bed, and then after that you post it on social media. Then you get affiliate link to the same bedsheet on platform that allows you to make commission for referring people to come and buy stuff from them. So if you share these links on some of your platforms and other students click on this platform and buy the same bedsheet, you are going to be given a commission. It can be anything at all. So it can be calculator, maybe it can be a sneakers, it can be anything at all. So once they click on the link and go there to buy the same product that you bought, using that of your link, you make a commission from that purchase. Guys, these are basically how you can make some cool money as a student, especially as a student in Ghana. I believe this video has been helpful to you. If you find this video helpful at any point and you find this video helpful, be sure to like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet, so that other people can also enjoy this video as well. Thanks for watching this video, and I'm going to see you in my next video.